All right, morning everyone. Welcome to another edition of Trading Bitcoin with your host Tone Vays. Today is Monday, August 17th. Why did I really gotta get a new computer. Today's Monday, August 17th. We are starting to show bright and early. It's gonna be on the shorter side because I want to move on with my day. And I did want to take a look at it right now because I think Bitcoin is in a very interesting spot from a TA perspective. We're not going to waste too much time today in the beginning, and we're going straight into the charts. The month is halfway over, so maybe it's time to take a look at how the monthly candle is doing. This is the monthly Heikin-Ashi look because this one works much better with the MRI indicator. I should have I really want to have this indicator out by the end of the month, but I am traveling at the end of the month, so that makes it challenging to release it because I can't just release it. I have to release it with a webinar. It will be like a full day webinar on teaching people how to use it, and that's how it's getting released. So at least the video is there. But anyway, I'll talk about that later when it comes. And of course, I lost my light. Okay. Anyway, so here's a monthly look. And the monthly look on the Heikin-Ashi is very, very bullish. What about the regular candles? It's even more bullish on the regular candles. So as you can see, last month, we closed as the second highest monthly closing ever in the history of Bitcoin. That's impressive. That is why I was bullish going into this month and why I was bullish ending last month. This month, we are halfway through the month, and we are making a new second highest close ever. Okay, so it's a new second highest close. So again, this is very, very impressive. All right, I gotta make a change here. Hold on. Okay. So this is going to be the second highest month ever. So last month now becomes the third highest month ever. So you're starting to see a little bit of a pattern here where we are having this consolidation. And while we have not yet broken the inter-month swing high of June of last year, you can see how this run-up is a hell of a lot more stable than this run-up, because we are getting multiple consecutive closes at the high. That is a lot better than getting lower monthly closes, like we did 1, 2, 3 months in a row. So this is very, very bullish from a monthly perspective, and we're about to break the monthly parabolic SAR. If we don't break it this month, we're going to break it next month. Though, to be honest with you guys, when the tone SAR eventually comes out, you will see how we should have never broken it to the downside in the first place, because I don't like these breaks on reasonably large shadows. So the tone parabolic SAR would look very, very different. Okay, so let's move on to the weekly chart. Okay, take a look at the weekly chart and see what's going on here. And the weekly chart also looks very, very clean. Notice how this is now we had 4 consecutive higher closing highs. And while we did not have an intra-week swing high, we came pretty damn close with this double top. And this is not the kind of double top that tends to reverse the market. This is clearly a bit of a consolidation. When we go to the daily chart, you will see the triangle that we are just on the edge of. So for the second week in a row, we closed above this 11.6K Fibonacci line, which I think is very good. I think that is very strong. So right here, this is a good sign. And I am bullish on this weekly chart. And I think we do have a few more weeks to go. I just don't see any bearishness on this TA. Is it possible we're going to pull back? Sure. But as of last week's close, I was bullish basically into this week, though I didn't think we were ready for the breakout. I think this week we are ready for the breakout, and it could be as early as today. So this weekly chart looks good. On the oscillators, the RSI looks a little toppy, but has a little bit of room to go. The MACD looks very strong, and the CMF looks very strong indeed. Daily chart. Okay, here's the daily chart. This is the triangle that I am talking about. This is a very strong triangle. It's not incredibly long, but it's pretty strong. Okay, it's definitely a strong triangle. And is it ready to break out today or tomorrow? I actually think it is. I really thought that we could come back to the bottom of the triangle and pull back one more time. We tried doing that yesterday. We didn't quite pull back down to that line, but we came close. And this looks like it's it. It looks like it's ready to break out. No idea when, but soon. Today, tomorrow, the day after, it's ready to break out of this triangle. Will it reach its target of 13,000? I think there is a high chance that it will reach that target, and I think there is a good chance it will go all the way to that double top from the June of last year. But then, like with everything, there's going to be a pullback. If nothing else, it's because of the stupidity of DeFi and yield farming, and that shit's gonna correct. Now, when that shit corrects, people will rush into Bitcoin. However, if the stupidity of those projects really, I'm gonna fix this arrow. I just want parallel. I think it's nicer. Though it's possible we're gonna get there a lot sooner. That's just cleaner. That's just cleaner looking at my chart. Okay, 4 hours. See, this is the one I'm really liking. I really like this consolidation right at 12,000 or 11.9. That's my line. I lowered this line last time to the top of this middle area, because if we can break this line, I don't think this 12,100 area is going to do anything. I think we're just going to blow right through it and go straight up. So that's what I'm looking at. So you know what? When I get to gold last, let's go to the S&P. The S&P I find way more interesting. So just like Bitcoin, look at this consolidation near this very critical resistance area. And I think the S&P is ready to break out as well to the upside for a new all-time high. I don't know if it's going to be today. I don't know if it's going to be tomorrow. I don't know if it's going to be on Thursday. But this week, the S&P is ready to break out as well and finally make a new all-time high, both on an intra-candle swing and at the close. So I think we're going to get them both in the same candle. So I am ready for an S&P all-time high. And now we're going to go to gold. So because the S&P is headed for new all-time highs and Bitcoin is about to break out, I think gold will also go higher. Is gold going to break this high? Too early to tell. But I don't believe gold is pulling back today. I think gold is also going to be correlated with the S&P and with Bitcoin, and it will rise this week. The difference is gold has, the biggest area to go. So Bitcoin is about to break out above its yearly highs. So if you go to Bitcoin, if I go to weekly Bitcoin, so this, what was the high on this week here? That was the week of August 5th. So this week was over a year ago. And the high this week was 12,325, but the close was lower than where we currently are. So we are, so the close, the highest price Bitcoin has ever been in the last 12 months is this, 12,100 bucks. And I think Bitcoin is going to break that this week. Now the S&P, the highest it's ever been is right there, 3,400. And I think, sorry, S&P. And I think the S&P is going to break that as well this week. It'll break it. But gold, the highest price gold has been in the last 12 months was right here at 2,090. And that's a little far away. That's 100 points on gold. That's 5%. So if both Bitcoin and S&P break out to their new respective highs, we can go up for like a week or so and still have gold stuck under its all-time high. So I don't know if gold is going to break the all-time high before all this shit takes a decent correction, but I'm not expecting any down days in gold this week. Well, there could be a down day, but I think this week is going to be positive for gold. Okay, so that's my opinion going into this week. You don't have to agree with it. That's the opinion. Okay, I'll take a look at your live chat here for a minute. And we have about 500 plus live viewers. Guys, if you want to support, please check out the affiliate page. I want to get someone from Deribit on the show and talk to them about what they've been up to. It's been forever. And I got to do a follow-up video on the Bybit trading competition and see who's still in the lead and who got wrecked in the competition. And LVL, I might be joining their podcast sometime later this week. So, oh, and I gotta get Joe back on, talk about Trader. So I gotta get some interviews up and running here. All right, other than that, you guys know what to do. Humbly should be back up and running this week or next week. And then you have TourGuard and TradingView. So that's how you can support. No new workshops on other than MRI coming up sometime in the next month. I'll do it for sure. And I'm going to BitBlock Boom. So I will be traveling to Austin, Texas. No, I'm sorry. I keep saying Austin because everyone's in Austin. Dallas, Texas at the end of the month. And other than that, there's always these on-demand videos from myself. There's only 3. And this one is the first 2 combined. And there's also Tyler Jenks's webinars as well. Okay. Tesla, well, it's not trading, right? So I can't, I can take a look at it, but I have to wait and see where it opens. Tesla looks good for more upside. I mean, it's near all-time highs. Right here, I would have been bearish. At the end of this day, I would have been bearish. And at the end of this day, I'm bullish. So if we're going to go down now, it's possible. I was bearish here because this is a new low close after like multiple weeks. Yeah, see, look at this red spike here. And that means you should be in a short trade, which is horrible because you're just going straight up. But these two will like completely flip once we go higher than this high, because that's how the indicator works. All metrics were bearish right here. Tesla was looking horrible, and then they had an announcement, and here we go. It's going up. So I was looking forward to picking up some Tesla around 1,000, but I don't think he'll get there. So we're going high. Bitcoin support level if we dip? Well, if we dip right now, it's challenging. If we go to 14K and then we dip, it's easy. It's 10,000. It's the breakout area. Thank you, Oliver. There's no such thing as a decentralized stable coin. They're all centralized. DXY. The DXY is not looking good. It looks like it has a little bit more of a drop because they want to print more money. This looks like a nice place ready to go higher, but not in the cards. Shanghai Composite. Looks very strong. Looks like it's ready for new all-time high or yearly high, whatever it is. Yearly high. Thoughts on Warren Buffett buying gold? Not really. Remember, when Warren Buffett says he's buying gold, he is not buying gold. It means he's done buying gold. He's already in gold, and now he needs to sell it to the plebs. So chances are, when Warren Buffett announced he's buying gold, he's probably the one exiting right here. That's the more likely scenario. My screen is blurry. Guys, check your quality. It's on Zoom. My screen is not blurry. I'm also watching this live. And I just hit that settings button and I changed it to 720. And it's perfectly clear. So that's on your end, guys. Guys, I've missed out on a lot. I've missed out on fake Zoom that went from sub penny to about $80. I missed out on Hertz stock that went like 10x. I missed out on what was the other? I missed out on Long Island Blockchain when they changed their name from Long Island Iced Tea to Long Island Blockchain, and the stock went from like $1 to like $20. I've missed out on BitConnect, correct. I missed out on BitConnect. I missed out on OneCoin. I missed out on Paycoin. That one went from nothing to like $8 and then zero. I missed out on Aurora Coin. That one went from nothing all the way to $100 and then zero. I missed out on a lot of coins, and I have no problem with that because I know they're scams. I know they're stupidity, and I will never, ever, ever lose a minute of sleep at night by missing out on something I know is fundamentally flawed. If all these guys were getting rich, they wouldn't have to pump their shitcoin. Yeah, I missed out on Enron too. Yep. I remember that. I was already of trading age. Good point. BioNTech. Is that a company? NVAX. I got like less than 5 minutes, guys. I'm sorry. I gotta move on with my day. Whoa. I missed out on this. What is this? I missed out on Novavax. Look at that. Look how you missed out. Everybody missed out. Look, it went from $4 to 200. Come on, what shitcoin has done better in 2020 than from $4 to 600? Guys, there are opportunities like this, and this is way more legitimate than Chainlink or Cardano or anything else, because this is a regulated company on the NASDAQ. So this is way more legitimate than any shitcoin, and you missed out, completely missed out. Okay, I have no comment. I mean, it's nice, it's gone up a lot, but I wouldn't touch it now. I don't know what to do here. If that's yeah, right there, I know what to do here. I would have either gotten out or risked a little short right there on the arrow. But here, I don't know what to do. I don't have an opinion. TA isn't helping me right here. It's useless. I'm not going to pull up a chart of Chainlink because I got to get going. I don't really care if it looks bullish or bearish. Chainlink is a scam coin, so I don't care. I don't know what BioNTech is. And if it doesn't show up, then I can't find it. All right, guys. I'm going to call it a day. Please support on the on-demand video page or on the affiliate page. I will be in Dallas, Texas at the end of the month for BitBlock Boom, and then we'll see. All right, guys. Thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you all. Oh, my camera's not. And I will see you all on the next one. Oh, got to throw a shirt on. Time to go to the gym. Bye, guys.